Hello and welcome. Today, we'll talk about touchscreen technology used in smartphones. Touchscreen technology is widely used in many devices today. It enables people to have a more interactive experience with digital devices and is very user-friendly. So, how do touchscreen displays work? Touchscreens are a technology that works when a user touches the screen, when pressure is applied to the screen. It punctures a special layer and sends a signal to sensors underneath the screen. These signals detect the location, size, and shape of the touch and send it to the device's processor. There are different types of touchscreen technologies, including capacitive, resistive, surface acoustic, IR, and optical touchscreens. Capacitive screens work by detecting the electrical charge in the human body, while resistive screens use the change in electrical charge between two layers. Surface acoustic and IR screens detect surface vibrations, and optical screens detect shadows on sensors. The advantages of touchscreen technology include ease of use, fast response time, fewer physical parts, and less space usage. However, the disadvantage includes sensitivity issues with some touchscreen technologies, fingerprint smudges, and difficulty seeing the screen in sunlight. Smartphones, tablets, laptops, ATMs, and even cars use touchscreen technology. This technology allows people to have a more interactive experience with digital devices and is used in many different ways in daily life. If you would like to learn more about this useful technology, please leave a comment below this video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.